go over the reverse snow angel. So if you remember as a kid, you probably performed these in the snow lying face up, but this time we're going to take it and lie face down. So great exercise, not only works the upper back, but it also works the lower back, a little bit of glutes and hamstrings as well. So to perform these, I'm going to first show you a couple, and then I'm going to give you some tips on performance. Alright, so you can see there as I was doing my reverse snow angels there, that the rep actually starts and ends with the arms overhead. So you're right here, you'll bring them down to your side like I did, and then bring them back up over top. And then you can, if you look back in the video there, you can also notice I was actually retracting my lower back and glutes to lift my knees up off the floor while keeping my legs straight, but I kept my toes down on the floor, and my chest came off the floor slightly as well. So that right there is the reverse snow angel. Try it out, bring out the inner kid in you.